Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Today we're creating this gorgeous long sleeve tiered maxi dress, so let's begin. Begin by folding your fabric in half and half again. This is a 60-inch wide fabric. Use an existing top as a pattern. Make sure it's a loose fitting top. Measure from the shoulders to the waist area and cut. Now cut around the rest of the top, leaving enough for seam allowance. Remove one bodice piece. Mark down 3 inches at the neck area and cut the neckline like so. You now have your front and your back bodice pieces. Now for the ruffles of the dress, you need to cut 5 pieces measuring 22 inches long. This length measurement might need to be adjusted depending on how long you want your dress to be and how tall you are. You can use the first piece as a guide to cut out the remaining 4 pieces. Two out of the 5 pieces will be for the first tier and the 3 other pieces will be for the second tier. One of the pieces from the second tier will be divided in 2 and added on to the other pieces. This will make the second tier pieces longer than the first tier pieces. Fold your fabric in half and using your bodice, place it on top to cut out the neck binding. And cut it just like so. Make sure it's approximately 3 inches wide. This will go on top just like so. And do the same for the back panel piece. To cut the sleeve of the dress, fold your fabric in half and then half again. Use your top to trace around the armhole curve. Carefully cut around the armhole curve. Now measure your desired sleeve length and cut. Trim the corners to mark the center. Your 2 sleeves are now complete. Now take your neck binding and place these right sides together and pin. Do this for both front and back pieces. Stitch the 2 together close to the edge. Create small cuts on the seam just like so. Flip your neck facing right sides out and pin. Repeat the same for the front bodice piece. Once you've done this, create a top stitch to secure the facing. It should look like this. Do the same for the back piece. Now place the bodice pieces right sides together and pin at the shoulders. Stitch the shoulders together. To add the sleeves, open the bodice piece just like so. Place your sleeve pattern right sides together and pin from the center outwards. Stitch this in position and your two sleeves should look like this once done. For the second ruffle tier, we cut 3 pieces. Take one of those pieces and cut it in half. Join each half to the other 2 ruffle pieces to make 2 extended long ruffle pieces. It is so difficult to explain, but I hope it makes sense. So you should have 2 first tier pieces and 2 second tier pieces which are longer. Now you need to hem all the 4 pieces, top and bottom. First stitch to join the second tier pieces together. You should have 1 long piece like so. Now go ahead and hem all the 4 pieces, top and bottom. Once you've done this, take one of the tier pieces and create a gathering stitch 1 inch away from the hemline. Pull the thread to create gathers. Now place your first tier piece on the bodice, pin together at the stitch line. Make sure the right side is facing you. The ruffles need to be showing. Now repeat this process for the other first and second tier pieces, both at the front and back bodices. Stitch the ruffles into place. Your dress should look like this. For the sleeves, make sure you hem the sleeves. Cut 2 elastic bands. These will be added to the sleeve just like so. So hem the sleeve first. Then attach the elastic band. Stitch the elastic band in position using a zigzag stitch. Position the elastic band approximately 4 inches away from the sleeve edge and pull as you're stitching. Should look like this, and repeat for the other side. Now to finish the dress, pin it right sides together and stitch the sides. And here's your final look. I wore an undergarment with this dress as my fabric was see-through, but you might not need to. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.